Hey guys, in today's video, I'll show you exactly how to download the Stock Market Predictor. If you want a smart tool that uses artificial intelligence to analyze stock trends and help you make better trading decisions, just follow this simple step-by-step guide. First, take your phone and open the Google Play Store. Make sure your internet connection is stable so the download process goes smoothly without any interruptions. Next, tap on the search bar at the top of your screen and type in Stock Market Predictor AI. Once the results appear, or similar AI-based stock analysis apps, carefully check the app name, icon, ratings, and developer to make sure you're selecting the correct and official version. This app usually uses historical data, technical indicators, and AI algorithms to estimate future stock price movements and gives you insights for better decision making. After that, tap the install or get button. The app will begin downloading automatically onto your device. Just wait a few moments while the installation completes depending on your internet speed. Once the app is fully installed, tap open. You can now create an account, explore stock predictions, analyze trends, and monitor the market using AI-powered insights directly from your phone. Keep in mind, these apps provide estimates based on past data and market patterns. They don't guarantee profits, so always use them as a guide and not as financial advice. And that's it. That's how you download the Stock Market Predictor app in 2026. If this helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials just like this.